To sauté vegetables, fish, or meat, start by cutting the ingredients into uniform pieces. Use a skillet or sauté pan with a wide, flat bottom and short sides. For better browning, avoid using a non-stick pan if you can. Heat the pan over medium-high heat for several minutes. If you're sautéing larger pieces of food, like chicken or fish, use medium heat instead. Next, add a small amount of oil or butter so that it just covers the bottom of the pan. The oil should simmer in the pan, but not smoke. Place your ingredients in a single layer in the pan with enough space to move them around. If your ingredients won't all fit in the pan at the same time, work in batches. Let the ingredients cook in the pan, shaking the pan or stirring them occasionally. Sauté vegetables until they are just cooked through. Delicate vegetables like spinach can cook as quickly as 1 to 2 minutes, while sturdier vegetables like onions can take up to 10 minutes. Chicken breast take about 5 minutes per side, and fish fillets usually cook in about 3 to 4 minutes per side. To tell when chicken or fish is done cooking, use a digital thermometer to see what its internal temperature is. Chicken is safe to eat at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, while fish should be at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit before you serve it.